Hello, X-Horse fans, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about how to read and write microcontrollers using Multiprog. First, we check the model of the microcontroller. Then open the software, click Device, and enter the model number. Open the details and you can see the device info, important info, and adapter info. Now we learn that the microcontroller requires an MCU adapter. To facilitate connection in demonstration, we connected extension cables to the microcontroller and the adapter in advance. From the connection diagram, you can see that pin 1 corresponds to the blue cable. We find pin 1 and the blue cable. There will be a color-coded label. Connect them and the rest. Connect devices. Okay, now let's start reading and writing. Multiprog supports reading EEPROM data, flash data, and config data. You can also modify the data just by clicking Write. Read it again and you can see data has been modified successfully. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any questions or topics of interest, please leave a comment. Next video we will show you how to read the BC into module with Multiprog. See you next time.